Hello and welcome to General Produce here in Sacramento, California. This is the Floral Beet and my name is Leanne Marie. And as you can see, fall is here. Beautiful, beautiful fall. The autumn colors, the abundance of the harvest here at General Produce. We have available many of these items that you see that are available. We have the gorgeous pumpkins, we have the white pumpkins, we have the orange pumpkins, all the different gourds, the beautiful Pele mums, wheat. We have everything available here for you. And what I want to tell you is in today's world, they've kind of changed the color a little bit. They're doing neutral colors now, which are called neutral. And as you can see, I have a display set up here with just very subdued colors. They're off-white, cream, very soft colors they're using to decorate now. In this basket here, what I've done is I've put some cotton pods, some wheat, some artificial silk flowers, and a beautiful burlap ribbon. And I've just wired it to the basket, as you can see. You can put anything you'd like in the basket. You can put some gourds in there or some candles, just something for your table. As you see, the burlap is very popular now. They're using burlap. So this helps with that product. Also, I put some candles on here. Again, you've got the beautiful pumpkins down here that are stacked, just very simple. So I want to encourage you to try something different. This is the Floral Beet, and my name is Leanne Marie.